Hi, so now we've added a nested URL for our project, and we've connected this URL with our main URL, and we've also added two views, one for product list and one for product detail. So now we need to retrieve all the products in our database. So first of all, we need to import the product from here to the product, and then views. So we're going to say from the models import product. So now we've imported the product, the model, and here we need to retrieve all the products in our database. So I'm going to say product list equal to, and I'm going to say product dot objects dot all. So this will retrieve all the products in our database, and we have context in any view. We have three things, and we have the return. Render for our request, our template, and the context. So this is what any view in Django will look like, or a function-based views will look like. First of all, we have something coming from the database, and then we have the context, and we have the template that we need. So here I'm going to say the template equal to, and I'm going to include this name in here. Yeah, just like this. So now we've got all the products from our database, and we need to define a template path. This is the path of our front end, and we need to find a context, and we're going to talk about context later. So first of all, this is our app, and inside our app I'm going to create a new folder with name of templates. It's a plural name actually, templates, because the Django will search on our path about this name, templates. And in this templates, I'm going to create a new folder with the name of our model. So our model is product. So here in our templates, I'm going to create a new folder with this name, product. So I've created a new folder with name of templates, and inside it there is a product. Okay. And I'm going to create a new file here. I'm going to call it product. Product underscore list.html. So now I've added this HTML, and I'm gonna insert an H1, and I'm gonna say our blog post, or our product, yeah. And in this template I'm gonna say product underscore list.html. This is the path of our front end of our template. So let's save this, and let's go to our products. So let's refresh. Nothing is working, so let's check our server. It's not running, so let's run our server again. Okay, so now let's refresh. So now we have our product. Actually, it's our products. So now we have our products page. So first of all, we've just added the template of our product list. From this, we've created a templates folder. Inside this templates folder, we've created a folder with the name of the model, product, and inside this product, we've created a product list which contains which will contain all the products. So now what's the context? So first of all, we've imported, or we've retrieved all the products in our database, and we can print this actually. So we can print the product list. So now if you refresh your file or your browser, and here we can see that we have a query set, retrieve product iPhone 6 and MacBook Pro. So now we have all the products in our database, and we need to insert or retrieve this information to our template also, so that we can loop over those products and represent them in our templates. So there's this context name which extends for the name of our product list in our template. So we're going to say product list. This is the name in our templates, and extends for this name in our views. So this means if I'm gonna use this product list name, product underscore list. Yeah. Sorry. Product. Yeah. So now if I'm gonna use this product list, all this information, our templates, I'm gonna use it as a product list. So now here, let's loop over this data. So on our templates, we're gonna say for, and this is the shape of, or the syntax of the loop in Django templates. So here we have the product list. So we're gonna say for every product in the product list. So why don't you show us the product? So this is a variable. Just like this. And now let's refresh our page. We've got an error. Let's make sure our server is running. Let's refresh. So now we have iPhone 6 and we have MacBook Pro. So let's retrieve this. First of all, in our view, we retrieved all the products in our database. And this is in this variable product list. And we've given the Django views, the template, both of our product list template. And we've set the context. So let's remove this context to be the last thing. And in the context, we've said that this product list variable will be named as product list in our template. So this product list, we can use this name in our template and loop over it to get all the products. So now we can retrieve all the products in our views. So let's delete this. So now we've added the product list. And we need to do the same with our product detail. So I'm gonna copy this, or let's set up all of this, or let's do them again actually. So first of all, we're gonna say that product detail equal to, and we need to retrieve this product from our product model. So we're gonna say product.objects .get, and we need to get this product, this specific product. So we're gonna say ID equal to the ID we retrieved. This is the ID in Django models and this ID in our view. And we're going to say the template equal to, and we need to create a new template in our product folder. So we're going to say new file, and I'm going to say product detail.html, and we need to add this. So I'm going to say product / product underscore detail.html, and for the context we're going to say that this product detail, so we're going to say product detail is our product detail that we retrieved, and we need to return this. So we're going to say return render for the first thing is our request, the second thing is our template, and the third thing is our context. Yeah, just like this. So let's save this and remember that we are printing the product ID. So here we have iPhone 6 and the MacBook Pro. So if we hit 1 and if we hit enter, we've got an error. Let's make sure our server is running. There, let's refresh our page. So we've got a blank page because our detail page is empty. So we need to say one product. So let's refresh our page. So now we have one product. And if we wanted to show information about this product, so we have this name, product detail. So we can see product detail. So let's refresh. So we have iPhone 6. So if we set product detail, this will retrieve the name in our models. So in our models we said in product to retrieve self-read name. So now we can retrieve self-read name. But if we wanted to retrieve the description, so we're going to say product.description. And if we refresh, we can see this is an Apple iPhone 6. So now we have the product list, and we have also the product detail, MacBook Pro and so on. And we need to fix some issues. Two issues actually. So first of all, we need to insert the link. So when I press on this iPhone 6, this open the detail for iPhone 6. And the second, I don't want this number in the URL. We need the URL to have a meaning. So we need to something like product/iPhone 6 to open this iPhone 6 page, products/MacBook Pro to open the MacBook Pro page, and so on. And we're gonna fix those two issues in the next lecture. See you next lecture.